Anonymous inner class object implementing. Okay. Where is that, guys? Get underscore implementing result set extractor interface. Result set extractor interface. What it was? Result set extractor interface. Having logic to copy result set object records to list collection as model class objects, nothing but employee class objects. Simply nothing but employee class objects, guys. Super. Okay, guys, in service interface, where is there in service interface? This is our service interface. Done. Next, in service IMPL class, boss. In service IMPL class. Service IMPL class. Next, in client application. In client application. Nice, boss. This is our client application. Super, na, boss? Yes. Now, I would like to show third approach, guys. What is third approach? I want to set values to named parameters by using bean property SQL parameter source object. Bean property SQL parameter source object, right? Bean property SQL parameter source object. Understanding my statement? Super na, boss. Yeah, but if you want to use that, guys, one condition is there. What is that condition, you know? Okay. The names of named parameters must match with what, guys? Model class object property names. That means it makes model class object data as query parameter values. Model class object data as query parameter value. But for that one, the names of named parameter must match with what? What, guys? Okay. Model class property names. Model class property names. Okay. Let's see, guys. Yeah. Now tell me. Setting values to the named params using bean property SQL parameter source object. Bean property SQL parameter source object. Bean property SQL parameter source object. Everyone getting my point, guys? Super. Yeah. This allows to set Okay. Given Java bean or model class object data. Given Java bean or model class object data as the values of the named params. As the values of the named params. As the values of the named params. Okay. For this, the names of named params must match with for this the names of named params must match with names of model class property names. With the names of model class property names. Okay, guys. Fine. Next, guys. Public. Now, this time, let me take one non-select query, guys. Int insert employee. Insert employee. Employee. Insert employee. Employee was. Employee EM. But did I take employee model class in this project, guys? I think I have taken it. Okay. This one. Right. Now listen. Create bean property SQL parameter source object. Bean property SQL parameter source object. Having model class object name. Having model class object name. Having model class object. Tell me, guys, what is that? Bean property. Bean property SQL parameter source base. BPSPS. Bean property SQL parameter source. Tell me. Bean property SQL parameter source of Bean property. Yes, I created bean property SQL parameter source having employee class object. Simply having employee class object. Simply having employee class object. Super, guys. Tell me, int count is equal to NJT dot. What is the method we are having, guys? Update method. Update method. It is expecting query. So now I have to take one insert query was. Now I need to take insert query. Private static final insert underscore emp underscore query. Here is my insert into emp. Insert into emp. Tell me guys. emp no ename job sal. emp no ename job sal. Values. Acha, in our employee department is also there in the model class. Let me check. No, not there. Only 4 columns. Okay, we'll deal with 4 columns. Okay. Values. Actually, I should write question mark, but this time what I write? This time what I'll write, guys? In the employee class, what is there? Same thing I will try to. Colon employee number, colon ename, colon job, colon sal. Okay. Colon employee number, colon ename, colon ename, colon job, colon sal. Colon employee number, colon ename, colon job, colon sal. No need to match connect class name, sir. No need of matching class names. Class name and table name need not to match. Why, Sarah? Because our query is in the query we are already mentioning table, right? Yeah, BS guys. Okay. Yes. Query and bean property SQL parameter source object. Bean property SQL parameter source object. BPSPS, bean property SQL parameter source. Return count. Return count. This is my service interface. This is my service IMPL class. Named parameter JDBC. Copy this was, paste it. Into result is equal to service dot tell me. Okay, insert. Oh, I think still I have to write code in service class also. Sorry. Let me write the code in service class. Public int register employee en into count is equal to empdao dot insert employee return count. Yes, boss. Tell me here. Into count is equal to service dot register employee but I have to create employee class object here now, boss. Achha, 1 minute. In service IMPL, instead of returning count, it's better to return what is question mark employee. What is this? Not inserted. L colon employee. Employee not inserted. Employee inserted. Better to take the return type as what? String. Again, better to take the return type as what, guys? Nice, boss. Service dot register employee. Employee EMP is equal to new employee. EMP dot set employee number 1111. EMP dot set employee name Rajesh. Okay, employee name Rajesh. EMP dot set job clerk. Set salary 99,000. Super nice. Into count is equal to service dot register employee. This is message, string result message. String result message. Sys out result. Sys out result message. Okay, sys out result message. Sys out result message. Comfortable, guys? Got the clarity, guys? Okay. Got it, guys. Okay. Let's go for DAO IMPL. Insert into EMP. Employee name, job, salary. This one. This is the method. Yeah, that's right, guys. BSPS. There is no need of changing string, guys. Insert query is, I think values is missing. Values is there, na? Values is there. Okay, here what? Update one. I think this query is wrong. Query is wrong. You are right. What is the query we have taken, guys? Insert underscore EMP underscore. Okay. Insert underscore EMP underscore query. Super. Now listen. We got the result. Let's run this. Employee inserted. Go to command line, guys. Run SQL command line. Say connect system manager. Select star from EM. One Ramesh manager 56789. One Ramesh manager 56789. One Ramesh manager 56789. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay, boss. I employee DAO. In DAO interface. In DAO interface, guys. Yeah, this is the DAO interface. Yes, in DAO IMPL class. In DAO IMPL class. In DAO IMPL class. Nice, boss. Here is the code. Copy this, guys, paste it. Nice. In service interface. What guys? In service interface. Okay. Right. Service interface. This is the method declaration. See, based on the situation, you can take the method. It's not compulsory. You should use only certain approach, guys. In service IMPL class. In service IMPL class. Here is my service IMPL class. Super. In client application. In client application. Simply in client application. Simply in client. Okay. In place of one, if it takes one. No. Who said it takes one? Why it is taking one, double one, double one? No, it's Ramesh manager. Look at this. Don't look at that. Look at this. This is right now. Rajesh clerk 99. This one. This is right. Vikash Dubey, we are looking at the wrong record. This is the correct record. Record is inserted or not, boss? Okay, boss. Now listen. Limitation of JDBC template and named parameter JDBC template. JDBC template and named parameter JDBC template. Have a look, guys. Have a look. Okay. Tell me here. JDBC template docs. Everyone, please focus. Okay, check it out. An instance of this class is thread safe once configured. What do you mean by thread safe, guys? It allows one thread at a time onto the object. Yes or no? Na? It allows one thread at a time onto the object. Does it allows multiple threads or only one thread? It allows only one thread at a time. It allows only one thread at a time onto the object. Array, concurrency is not allowed. Concurrent is, suppose I am using JDBC template in web application. Okay. One request is coming for insert operation. One request is coming from update operation. One request is coming from delete operation. All of them are using same JDBC template. Do you think these three requests can perform concurrent persistence operations on database, simultaneous persistence operations on database software, guys? Respond, Ra Babu. Look, think about web application, websites. Is there any guarantee? Is there any guarantee? All the methods inside this class are synchronized method. They allow one thread at a time to perform the operations. They allow one thread at a time to simply perform the operations. Getting my point there, guys? So is it really suitable to use in real time? Especially in web applications and distributed applications? Standalone one user at a time, fine, boss. But web application will be operated by one user at a time. Lots of users. Lots of. Distributed application is operated by one user at a time. Lots of users. Lots of users, right? One user at a time. Lots of users. Definitely lots of users, right, boss? So by keeping this in mind, so can we use it in web application and this one? Okay, look at JDBC named parameter JDBC template also. Are you getting my point? It's good. Named parameter JDBC template. Look at the documentation. An instance of this class is thread safe once configured. Thread safety is a good feature, but in a way it is a wrong feature. If object is thread safe, on that thread only one object can be acted at a time. So indirectly it kills the performance or not. So if such object is used in web application, can we do persistence operations simultaneously? No, persistence operations are allowed sequentially. But the problem with web application and distributed application, lots of requests will come simultaneously from lots of clients, right? And if they say, I will take all your persistence requests, I will execute them sequentially, means what? Is it going to work out in website environment and distributed application side environment? Really not. Certainly not, right? Guys, give me 2 minutes time. Operations on that object by multiple threads, not possible. By multiple threads, not possible. This degrades the performance. Okay, of the application. This behavior is acceptable in standalone applications, but not acceptable in web applications and distributed application, which gets lots of simultaneous requests. Simultaneous requests. Getting my point? Lots of simultaneous requests. Okay, guys. JDBC template, named parameter, JDBC template class objects are thread safe by default. Refer documentation. And the documentation officially there now was by default. So they are good to perform persistence operations in standalone applications, but not in web applications and distributed applications. For this, take the support of. What is that? Okay. Take the support of. Tell me. Okay. What is that? Simple JDBC insert and simple JDBC call. Okay, support. What is this? Approach number 4 of JDBC, Spring JDBC program. Spring JDBC program. Approach number 4 of Spring JDBC program. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. And both these are okay. Both these both these classes objects are not thread safe. Are not thread safe. Okay. So they are multi-threaded. They are multi-threaded and allows multiple requests or threads to act on the object simultaneously. Are you understanding my statement? Simultaneously. Convinced, my dear? Okay, just have a look on it, guys. Simple JDBC template, guys. Sorry, simple JDBC insert. Simple JDBC insert docs. Simple JDBC insert docs, guys. Simple JDBC is inserted, na? Inserted. Come on. It's a multi-threaded, reusable object providing easily insert capabilities, na boss? Okay, boss. Note 1. Yes. Look at simple JDBC call docs. Simple JDBC call docs. Simple JDBC call docs. Simple JDBC call is, it is given to call the PL SQL procedure and function. It is given to call the PL SQL procedure and function, right? Superna boss, convinced? What do you say, guys? What do you say, guys? Understanding my statement? Is multi-threaded. Insert capabilities for a table. It is there to call PL SQL procedure and function. Okay. How to work with these objects that I am going to discuss in next class. How to work with these objects. How to deal with simple JDBC insert, simple JDBC call. Why they have not given simple JDBC update, simple JDBC delete, simple JDBC select classes. Why? What made them to give only simple JDBC insert? I will talk all these things in the next class. Everyone, please listen carefully. Our next class is on Thursday, not on tomorrow. Tomorrow, no class. I have some personal work, company related work. Next class is on Thursday. Tomorrow is a holiday. So don't think that I am giving holiday to watch Pakistan-New Zealand match. Sorry, I am not saying that. Okay, I am giving